कि हम ये पैसा देंगे लोगों को कुशल बनाने में, लोगों को उनके स्किल्स दिखाने में। और ये कल्पना जब दी गई तो कंस्ट्रक्शन सेक्टर से पूना के लड़ाई लिया, हमने सोचा क्यों ना पूना इस एक्टिविटी में अग्रसर रहे और हमने एक प्रपोजल भेजा सरकार के पास कि हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम हमारे लेबर जो खासतौर पर पूना में है उनको कुशल बनाएं।
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार।
वैसे ही भारत को दुनिया को दिखाना है कि कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री में हम लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं वो सबसे दुनिया से बेहतर है। तो अभी जोर से बोलिए, कौन कौन काम करना चाहता है? हाथ ऊपर करिए जोर से।
पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं।
Usually you see in this country associations and people complaining all the time. Here we have an organization who stopped complaining and started doing things by themselves, finding solution by themselves. This is what the country needs. And to the workers, I can tell you, you should make use of this opportunity because this is probably the first of its kind in India.
लेकिन इस वक्त जो देश में जो परिस्थिति है, आप अगर पुणे में देखें इतने सारे कंस्ट्रक्शन काम है लेकिन लोगों की कमी है, तो ये आपके लिए एक बहुत सुनहरा अवसर है कि आप एक तरीके से एक स्किल सीखें, आगे बढ़े। और एक आपके साथ दूसरा भी मौका है कि आप जिन लोगों को जानते हैं जो इस लाइन में आना चाहते हैं उनको भी आप लेके आइएगा।
जी कुशल से जब से मैं जुड़ा हूँ तब से फीट के बारे में, इंच के बारे में, मीटर के बारे में मतलब थोड़ा बहुत जानकारी हो गया है सर। जी एक फीट में कितना ईंट लगता है, कितना रेती लगता है, कितना सीमेंट लगता है, थोड़ा बहुत जानकारी हो गया सर।
इस मिशन के तहत जिनकी आमदनी कम है, जो उनकी आमदनी बढ़ा उनसे अच्छा काम करवाना और ये सर्टिफिकेट वाले व्यक्ति को पहले रोजगार मिलेगा।
आमचे प्रेसिडेंट श्री सतीश मगर म्हणाले की मला या क्रीडा पुणे मेट्रोचा अध्यक्ष म्हणल्यानंतर सर्वात जास्त आनंद आणि अभिमान ह्याच गोष्टीचा आहे की आम्ही कुशलची स्थापना केली।
जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, तेरी हर दुआ आशाएं खिले की, उम्मीदें हंसे की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Gentlemen, it's wonderful to be here to see this young and energetic set of skilling people here who have come to the competition. It's so nice to be here to watch this. I did visit Kushal almost a year and a half ago, and I'm very impressed with the kind of training that's been going on in the construction business.
जो लेबर भाई है, ये जाके इसका शंखनाद करे कि हमारा फायदा हुआ है, इसका फायदा लो।
मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ।
अगर क्वालिटी बढ़ता है और स्पीड बढ़ता है तो आप लेबर का पगार भी बढ़ाओगे। बढ़ाएगा 300 रुपये हम लोग, पहले 200 रुपये देता हम लोग, अभी 300 रुपये ट्रेनिंग के बाद।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हर जगह पूरा भारत के हर सिटी हर ग्राम तक पहुंचे, ऐसा पहुंचा।
क्वालिटी अच्छी मिलेगी, सेविंग भी होगा, और जिस वर्कर के हाथ से हम बड़े होते हैं, काम बिल्डर्स बड़ा बनता है, उस वर्कर के लिए भी कुछ किया है, उस फैमिली के लिए कुछ किया है, ये भी मन में रख के किया, तो रियली इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल। एज ए बिल्डर आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात वो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं, लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं, कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा।
शायद मेरे 38 साल के बैंकिंग करियर का ये एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण समय है कि एक इतना अच्छा सुनहरा अवसर मुझे कुशल और क्रेडाई ने दिया कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ जुड़ सकूं। ये जो मोबाइल वैन आपने ट्रेनिंग की बनाई है, न केवल इसमें मैं ATM मशीन दूंगा, बस इसमें आने वाले समय में कैश डिपॉजिट मशीन भी दूंगा।
अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी,
ये ऐसा मॉडल है जिसमें आप सब खुश हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर खुश है, डेवलपर खुश है, कुशल बहुत खुश है, और ये इन सब की खुशी देख के हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं। तो आपका जो मेहनत और काम है वो प्रधानमंत्री तक भी पहुंच रही है।
आप लोगों के ट्रेनिंग फैसिलिटी वगैरह जो साइट पे काम कर रहे हैं कड़े के द्वारा देखकर बहुत खुशी हुई। जैसे आप लोग इंटरेस्ट लेकर हर एक एस्पेक्ट सीख रहे हैं, वो बहुत ही जरूरी है देश के लिए। इसकी वजह से जो बिल्डिंग होगा, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनेगा, ये सब वर्ल्ड क्लास क्वालिटी पर बनेगा, जिसकी वजह से हम तरक्की पाएंगे। मैं आप लोगों को देखकर बहुत खुश हूँ। मैं आप लोगों को ऑल द बेस्ट, कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू क्रेडाई फॉर व्हाट यू आर डूइंग। थैंक यू सो मच।
ट्रेनिंग के टीचर लोगों को तैयार करने की यही हमारा प्रयास बाकी रहा है, क्योंकि लोगों में, कामगारों में उत्सुकता है कि ये प्राप्त करे और इसे अपनी खुद के आयुष्य की बढ़ती करे।
Kadamuni is committed to train more than 20,000 people under this NSDC program for the next 3 years. More than 350 developers from the city of Pune, who are members of CREDAI Pune, are committed to see that this program succeeds, and we are confident that this will be very beneficial for us, and will go a great way, a long way to see that skilled labor will be available, which is a shortage in the industry today.
नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी।
That's just the glimpse of something that is impossible right before. आशा है कुछ भी, उम्मीदें कुछ भी. Let me begin with a small joke. There was, we were actually session on empowering and training executives. But construction industry is very different. They never tried out. So there was this executive we invited a plumber. His wife had been cribbing. The pipe is leaking, the tap has been leaking. Get this done ASAP. So he invited a plumber and said, "Usko theek kar do. I'll give you whatever you ask." Plumber goes in, comes out 5 minutes. Tap is not leaking. Wife is very happy. Sab 700 rupiya dijiye. The executive looks at him. What do you mean 700 bucks? साले मैं तो रोज रात को रिपोर्ट लिखता हूँ, 1:30 बजे तक मीटिंग करता हूँ, शाम को रात को 12 बजे तक घर नहीं आता, मेरे को 10 मिनट का 700 रुपये तो किसी ने दिया नहीं। बोले साहब सच बोलूं तो कुछ साल पहले मैं भी एग्जीक्यूटिव ही था। Gentlemen, that is my industry. That is the industry that has never wanted to train, that had never wanted to be certified. Why? Demand and supply. Any person who could carry a hammer in his hand, a thati in his hand, a plumber with his hand, could get 500 bucks. Do you need a certificate? And I go to tell them, gentlemen, learn. There is future for you. He said, what a question. What are you talking? मेरे को वैसे भी काम मिल रहा, मैं पढ़ने आऊँ बकवास. I don't want to learn. I don't need certificates. I am getting money anyway. So how do you treat these people? You go to a contractor and tell him, boss, you need to learn, make your people certified. So what for? साला वैसे भी लोग मिलते नहीं, मैं कहाँ से सिखाने भेज रहा हूँ? कहाँ से उनको क्लासरूम भेजूँ? नाम पढ़ाना नाम पे impossible. So how is this going to happen? We took it up. Kirai Pune took it up. We went to NSTC. Tell them you need money. This are you crazy, Mr. Shroff? You represent the most affluent industry and you want money for training? You guys go and spend it. You have the money. I said, ma'am, there was this 7 secretaries who were interviewing me for money. I said, I'm going, ma'am. If you invite me, I said a proposal, you called me, you want to give money for the second largest employer in the country, you don't want them to be trained, I'm going. She said, you're a little arrogant. I said, ma'am, no, I'm being honest. So she said, so why do you need money? I said, no, ma'am, nobody's going to spend money on training construction workers. Not the developer, not the contractor, and not the training anyway. So we need money from the government to let them understand that training is important. Let's begin by making them aware of training. Let them understand certification has to happen. It's not today, tomorrow. Okay, what's your proposal, Mr. Shah? What's the kind of buildings do you have? What is the kind of space you envisage? I said, I have 0 square feet of construction. I have no buildings for me. Are you crazy? What do you need money for? What's the kind of people? What's your business model? What's your plan? I said, I have 350 developers of Pune committed to give their 20 lakh plus square feet of construction site as training area and more than 4 lakh people to learn. Can you beat that, madam? If you can beat that, give that money to somebody else. Don't give it to Credit Pune. That sounds interesting, she says. So how do you want to do it? I says, no. I told her we are going to go on site. You're going to teach them what is working. You're going to have classroom sessions there. You're going to make him aware that training is important. Make him realize that there is something called self-respect. Make him realize that there is something called financial inclusion. Make him realize that eating guttka is not good for him. Only then he shall appreciate the importance of learning. He will appreciate the importance of training. He will appreciate the importance of certification. Gentlemen, today I actually was invited to receive the 7th award for this kind of an enterprise, never done before. And you also invited me to speak here. And I thought, why not? Why not share this unique experience of training 10,000 people in the last 1.5 years? Now, how did this happen? Why did it happen? What has been happening in the construction sector? How does one learn to do masonry? How does one learn to become a carpenter? He goes as an ordinary menial worker under somebody, a good mason, either his uncle or uncle's friend or father. When the father or the uncle or the mason or the skilled mason, the master craftsman as we call him, goes out for a bidi or for a cup of chai or goes to meet his friends, the driver cleaner episode. जब ड्राइवर चलाता है तो गाड़ी पहुंच गए, अभी दो थोड़ा तो भी चला ले. So he puts on those few what you call, puts on some bricks, starts learning, starts picking up the good and the bad habits of that person is learning. Doesn't know why he has to soak the brick. He doesn't know why the side of the joint has to be so small or so big. So he doesn't know anything. He takes about 3 to 4 years to become a mason from a menial worker. Now menial worker gets about 250 rupees or 300 rupees a day. A mason can get anywhere between 600 to 700 rupees. So now we talk to him. We start telling the man, it takes you 3 years to go from 200 to 700. I give you 3 2-month sessions. You take them, and I assure you, you will start earning 700 products in a span of 1.5 years. We do 3 2-month sessions, give him some time to work with them, again do one 2-month session, and then the final 2-month session. By then, we certify them to become a mason. Now, how do we do this? I think that we said, we do skill mapping. We go and check what his level of skills are. Then we rate him as A scale, B scale, C scale. Then we upgrade him to the next level. Then we have an independent body that comes and certifies. It's not done by us, not the people who are training. Now, who are my trainers? They are not BE civil, they are not diploma holders. They are people who have worked with their own hands for the last 15 years, who know how to use a scalpel, who know how to use a hammer, who can understand what it means when it's standing on the outside scaffolding. He can connect with the labor, he can make them understand. We taught them how to teach, we taught them how to syllabus, we created films which could be self-explanatory. And by all God's grace, today, where we were dying to get people to come and learn, I have a wait list of more than 3,000 people wanting to certify. There are 200 contractors that come for our awards that we give to contractors who give their people to learn, to get certified. There are 200 people, contractors in Pune wanting to send their labor to get certified, get trained, and God willing, Pune's experiment will become pan-India. Noida area, India has requested us to come to Noida and start training the workers there. So gentlemen, things is, if you can think, if you can dream, anything can happen. Thank you very much.